So today topics on girls. You know, girls are precious gift of God. हर बच्चे स्पेशल होते हैं, ठीक है। एवरी पेरेंट्स नीड्स देयर चिल्ड्रन शुड बी स्पेशल टू देम, इम्पोर्टेंट टू देम, precious gift of God, ठीक है। देन इतना तो तुम लोग समझते ही हो कि लड़की होना आसान बात नहीं है। वी हैव टू टॉलरेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। जैसे हो गया, वी हैव टू मैनेज आवर वर्क, स्टडी, हाउसहोल्ड चोर्स, है ना। वी हैव टू मैनेज आवर टाइम मैनेजमेंट in different situations, how you will face difficulties. Every girl should learn self-defense. Isn't it? Every girl should be independent. There must be self-respect, confidence, trust, mutuality, अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए। सब लड़कियां अलग होती है। एवरी गर्ल डिफरेंट। वी आर ऑर्डिनरी पीपल। वी कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड्स। वी हैव our strong confidence in ourselves, strong ability. We can't compare with anyone. जिसके घर में बेटियां होती हो तो किस्मत वाले ही होते हैं। दुनिया में ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो बेटियों के लिए तरसते हैं। मेनी houses are there. Even if you have friend or close friend, they also need your support, subordinate, cooperate, collaboration. So we should stop focusing on others. चाहे लड़कियां टीन हो या मोटी हो, है ना। You have to see as a girl, not in other side. Yes, I also want to say many things, but in my opinion, you should be give respect to girls, stop sexual harassment, domestic violence, and stop thinking of hypocritic and lunatic, and please respect your behavior towards themselves. सबको रेस्पेक्ट करना आना चाहिए। अगर जिम्मेदारी ली है तो निभाना भी आना चाहिए, है ना। world are big. Girls, there are many girls who want to read, who want to educate, but due to lack of poverty or due to lack of money, they can't read. Instead, what you say then? Instead, you abuse them. It's not the correct way. अगर गलती की हो तो सॉरी भी बोलना आना चाहिए. You should accept your mistake and apologize to her. Hmm? सब लड़कियां अलग होती है. सब यू मेक फ्रेंड्स विद गर्ल्स, इट्स नॉट डाउट, बट बहुत ऐसे भी लड़कियां बहुत कम होती है जो अपना फीलिंग बहुत कम शेयर करती है ड्यू टू they afraid that you will not take their advantage. So stop thinking that way. And we call that ना बेटियां घर की लक्ष्मियां होती हैं. So if your daughter or sister or your wife wants to read, you should encourage them, you should support them. As 21st century में girls boys से कम नहीं है. Both are equal. So think in that way. Don't think in opposite way. If girls say no means no. If she is not willing to accept you, then you should stop there. You should respect their decision. लड़कियों के लिए बहुत कीमती चीज होती है. You know, if anything happens to her, then who will be responsibility for her? अगर responsibility है तो responsibility भी उठाना चाहिए. Isn't it? About, yes, what did you have written there about marriage? देखो, girls are not your plaything, nor your servant, nor your mistress. Nor your substitute, which you can play with their feelings or emotion. As in my opinion, I should say you should respect every girls and I don't want to say that, but you want to know as no, you know how it's difficult for a girl to manage all things at a time. They have a lot of burden, but they can't share their feelings or emotion with anyone else. Why? Because they are afraid. So you should stop that type of thing. बोलने का मतलब है कि थोड़ा शेयरिंग भी करो, केयरिंग भी करो, ठीक है? You should help them in their work, in their household work, in their studies. Spend some time with them, give some time with them, have great memories with them. Even if you haven't, okay, not to समझ में आया. Now, one of my students had asked about marriage. No, every student should know that it's important. देखो, marriage is not a game. It's a relationship between two people from their respective. Sorry, I haven't received any proposal, nor I am in any relationship. Yes, I am willing to marry, but I haven't found my match in heaven. You know, when sometimes it means, yeah, it's feel bad, but it's God plan. होता है ना कि जब कभी किसी का शादी में अटेंड करो, means your friend wedding you attend, and by seeing it you feel sometimes jealous. That type of feeling that every girl has. It's not a so. देखो, we have remember one thing. If you have fallen for someone, then you should cherish her, persuade her. You should try to understand her, trust her. म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए. डॉट डॉट्स करो, डॉटिंग और डोमिनेटिंग होना चाहिए. थोड़ा स्पॉइल भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे नहीं है. थोड़ा सा स्पॉइल करो. गिव यू सम टाइम. whether it is whether you are whether you are rich or poor, or in sick or health. Thin or thick. Okay? You should accept her as the way she is. You should not play with their feelings. Okay? Not to समझे. Loving someone is just a loving someone is not just falling in love with her, but learn to understand her, care her, protect her, trust her, maturity, freedom, and tolerance of all her. ठीक है उसको then you should coax her, persuade her, cherish her, domineering her, whether you are in poor or rich, thick or thin, for better or worse, in sickness or in health, to share life's ups and downs through thick ups and downs through each other, and you should give each and give exchange other space. ठीक है that's called your feeling. That's called your marriage. इतना तो समझ में आया. In marriage, you should give each other space, spend time, have some beautiful memories. Love each other, respect each other. You should not cheat on other person, should not cheat on another man or woman in a relationship. So that's today. और कुछ बोलूं? No. Yes, I am also willing to marry someone who deserves me, but I haven't found my match in heaven. Ma'am, have you received any proposal? Not yet. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's not mine. Never mind. I never mind. So today class is this much. You want to know? So I have said, don't say that. Don't think in different. Every girls are different. हर लड़की अलग होती है. सब आपके लाइफ में आते हैं, अपने जगह बनाते हैं. If that person is not interested on you, then you should give up. You should not persuade her. No means no. इतना तो इज्जत करना आना चाहिए सबको. और ये भी एक सच बात है, आप चाहे जैसे भी हो, लुक्स, अपीयरेंस, पर्सनालिटी, जिससे अपनाना होगा वैसे ही आपको अपनाएंगे. जिसे नहीं अपनाना होगा, they have their blind eyes. So always open your eyes and mind. Don't be in a blind state. Open your eyes. और जैसा आपके साथ कर रहे हैं, you should also learn that. You should also take revenge on them. So in different situations, you should learn self-defense and take your revenge on them. So thank you.